Bird Watch by Christie, Matheson. What might you find when you go outside? This is a chickadee, a bluebird, a sparrow, a wren, a robin, an owl, a hawk, a hummingbird, a dove, and a warbler. There are treasures hiding in the trees and on the ground and in the air. If you go outside and look carefully, you just might find them. On a beautiful morning, you might just find 10 capped chickadees perching in the trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They are your first treasure. Do you see them all? As the chickadees fly away, you just might find 9 bluebirds landing nearby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Their feathers look mostly blue, but some have orange feathers too. If you look closely, you just might find 8 sparrows hiding near the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make a wish and whoosh, blow on the dandelions. It's a seed feast. It's because birds eat seeds. As a few raindrops fall, you just might find 7 wrens singing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Try to spy their stripy tails. While the wrens take cover, you just might find 6 robins looking for worms. Aha! One has a worm in her beak already. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the baby makes 6. When the blue sky returns, you might just find 5 sunny warblers. Well, there's one. Could there be more? Turn the page and you might just find, there's 1, another warbler. 2, now there are 2. 3, but where are the other 3? While you wait for more warblers, you might just find a bee, a spider, a red ladybug, a delicate dragonfly, and a slimy banana slug. So a slimy banana slug, a bee, red ladybug, dragonfly, a spider. As the slug slinks along, you might just find 4 doves cooing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count them quietly so you don't scare them away. Near the brightest flowers, you might just find 3 hummingbirds humming. 1, 2, 3. They are searching for nectar to sip. While the hummingbirds snack, mice scurry about. How many can you see? There's a mouse. There's another mouse. And there's another mouse. Uh-oh. There's 2 hawks eyeing those mice. The hawks are soaring away. Can you see the hummingbird who zipped up to tease them? She is tiny, and the hawks just found out that she's very brave. When the sky gets darker, you might just find one more beautiful bird. Who could it be? Turn the page and see. Owl, that's who. Most of the birds are sleeping now, but the owl may be up all night. But if you look again in the morning, you might just find the treasure you've been waiting for. There's the other two warblers. The end.